Okay, let's see if we can understand how in progress grades are determined. So, and this is not a perfect solution by any means, but it's the best way to give students some indication of their progress. So I added another assignment. I put it under two. I put it under. Well, it's part of this standard. I put the assessment hit NSA and NSB. So I put the assignment T2, as you can see very quickly, as as assessing these two LTLTs. Okay, and I put some scores in. So we can see in B, in progress is very obvious. There's only one score. There's only one assessment that targeted NSB, and the in progress grade right there we see is the just the grade they got on that one assessment. But A is a little more interesting. In A, you'll notice the two assessments. Okay, so the in progress grade may not be super obvious. So a 1 and a 3 plus somehow makes a 2, and so down the way. And the way that works is it's all based on this table here. So that it was a 3 plus and a 1. Let's look at that. A 3 plus is worth 3.5 points. A 1 is worth 1. Add them up, that's 4.5. Divide by 2, that's 2.25. All right. Now, we can see that approaching is having an average of 1.5 up to 2.5. So that's why here it says they got a 2. The next student with a 3 and a 2 plus, well, that's 5.5 divided in half is 2.75, in which case it gives them a 2 plus for the in progress grade, and that's the grade that will show up to the student and also when teachers look at it quickly. But again, averaging for the standard or for the LTLT, may not be your ideal solution. A couple things that you can do to get around that. You could say, hey, I want to exempt this one because I don't think it really evaluated his sense. So I can hit an X, and then I can see that his or her grade now is the just the one assessment there. So because that has been exempted, then I'm going to just have her most recent one. So that's a nice way of handling those kind of situations. And then at the standard level, it is much the same. So the standard level, you can see that all right, this on LTLT, it's made up of these three ELTs, but this learning target was not assessed. So all right, so a 2 and a 1, that's 3, which is an average of 1.5, which does which in that grading table amounts to a 2. So and at any point you could say, all right, I don't think this is a fair indication. I think it's more of a like this student really has a 1 understanding. So you can post a 1. At any point, the window for posting is open. So you can, and then that is what parents will see. They'll see the posted grade. So I can put that in. So and you the only ones that you're posting are the standards. LTLTs will never be posted. So on the LTLT page, we can't post. But on the standards, I could say, yeah, maybe in progress it's officially a 2, but I want the student to see a 1. So that is what they will see because you have posted a 1 on top of that, and then we can save.